In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect an iPhone to Apple devices, which is basically an iTunes replacement if you don't have a MacBook or anything and you have a Windows PC like I do. So all you want to do is firstly go ahead and install the Apple devices application. So we're going to go to the bottom over here, type in Microsoft Store. It's going to look something like this. By the way, completely free application and completely legit. It's made by Apple itself. So from here at the very top, all you want to do is go and type in Apple devices, and it's going to look like this with this icon, and all you got to do is go ahead and install it for completely free. Then all you want to do from here is go ahead and connect your phone to your PC. So obviously if you have one of the newer iPhones from like iPhone 14 or 15, it's going to be a USB-C cable, and then just connect it to your PC using USB-A or USB-C. And then once it's connected, all you got to do is go over and open up Apple devices. So I'm going to search for it right here. The app is right there, so I'm going to go ahead and open it, and it says trust this iPhone because it's my first time connecting this specific iPhone to my PC. So it says trust iPhone. To sync this computer with your iPhone, click trust. Then you got to tap it on your iPhone as well. So I just clicked it over there. I'm clicking it on my iPhone. It's going to ask you for your PIN code. And it's also going to ask you for your Face ID as well. But then after you do that, you can either check, for an update. You can restore your iPhone. You can also back up all your storage from your iPhone to iCloud, or back up all the data on your iPhone to this computer as well if you want to. And then you can back up now, and then you can manage all these different settings, and then you can, after you backed up everything, you can then transfer any of the files that you want to as well. But it's as simple as that. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.